All right, ran across some Toyo Guard, which I don't know where I picked this up, and it's been sitting around in my little areas where I keep all these products for probably more than a decade. And actually, I shook it up pretty well, and I sprayed it on on some of the areas over here, the door, whatnot. I mean, this truck has almost 200,000 miles on it, so, and I'm not doing any detailing, but I just thought, I'd wipe it down, use some product I've got sitting around, and this is a rag, by the way. So as you can see, it was pretty filthy. But I like to kill two birds with one stone when I'm doing these little projects and cleaning the areas up before I do any work and after I do any work. Seems like a good time to do that. I'll probably go around and try to clean the other side of the truck so I can use this up so I can throw this freaking can away instead of having this partial can taking up space. Talk about being a pack rat. So anyways, all right, get on to the air filter, or the cabin air filter, in 1 second.